Welcome to the channel. If you've been wondering how to stop those unexpected audio and video calls on X, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to cut down on distractions, avoid spam, or simply keep your conversations text-only, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable this feature in under a minute. Let's dive in. First, grab your phone and open the X app. Head to your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. It's the little picture of you. Tap it and a menu will slide out. From here, scroll until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Give that a tap. Now, you'll land on a page with several categories. Look for Privacy and Safety. It's usually near the top. Tap it and you'll see a list of options related to your account's security and visibility. Scroll down until you spot Direct Messages. This is where X houses all the settings for your private chats. Inside the Direct Messages menu, you'll find a toggle labeled Enable Audio and Video Calling. By default, this is turned on, meaning anyone you follow, or even strangers, depending on your settings, can ring you up unexpectedly. To stop this, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. The switch will go gray, and just like that, you've shut down the calling feature. No more surprise interruptions. But what if you don't want to block calls entirely? Maybe you still want to chat with close friends or family. X lets you customize this. If you leave the toggle on, scroll down a bit further. You'll see options to limit calls to people in your address book or people you follow. Adjust these checkboxes to control who can reach you. One last tip. If privacy is your main concern, don't miss the Enhanced Call Privacy option just below. Turning this on hides your IP address during calls, adding an extra layer of security. It's a small step, but it keeps your location data private. And that's it. In less than a minute, you've taken control of your X experience. No more unwanted calls, no more distractions, just the features you actually want to use. If this guide helped you, consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.